Hi guys, today is my mom's birthday, but yesterday was my mom's real birthday, so it was too early, so we're celebrating it today, on Saturday. And we have so much good food. Some of these are cooked by mom and dad, and some of them are ordered. Come and take a look at the food.
Hi.
And also, hi.
Hi guys, today mommy ordered so many pizzas and comes and even she buy chicken like Jaya. That was so good. And even they put the cover table and say and today's mommy's celebration birthday and even mommy decorate all her house. Even bye guys. Hi. Today I have a gift for you for this.
Yeah.
And
Hi.
and it's mommy's celebration birthday and audience and Atlas and Tita Raman and Tita Lane coming and the Israel and husband and even my grandma and grandpa and even I'm just playing with the scooter and even after this playing with me and today's mommy celebration birthday and bye guys.
My mom wishes to be pregnant again and have some twins. Yeah.
LA.
And I can't wait to eat, and we're also waiting for everyone to come to mom's birthday.
She's 43.
Hey mom, tell me what is some shorts? I just hit it. Oh. And she also bought a money tree, but I know money doesn't grow on trees, so why is it called a money tree? I have a guitar, but no one is playing it. Can I touch it? It looks sharp.
Even look at my hand, it's all green. And look at my nail polish.
You should look in my earbrush.
So bye guys. Bye.
She also ruined the bedroom. Kelly, say something.
Hi guys, today
And
mommy's
she's a
celebration birthday and even I have two Mickey Mouse and even I put the flag there but it's not gonna fall but even and also at the 7 people in Tita Revan and at Elizabeth and Tita Leia are coming in Tita Shalom, Tita's husband and even my grandpa and grandma and even it's mommy's celebration birthday and even mommy put the blanket table and even she put the cover in the bathroom and it smells good in there but I have to take off my cover there because it's so clean and even mommy buy pizza and chicken barbecue pizza cheese pizza and pineapple ferrata and cheese pizza like me and even look at that course they're so fast there and even Daddy's gonna get something she's gonna throw the garbage can and we're gonna have so much fun and even mom is so beautiful she has this it's like song.
Okay. Today is Erin's birthday. We're celebrating it at home. We have a lot of things that my mom baked a cassava cake. So happy birthday, Patita!
Okay, let's check.
Kayo ka din nun
We have.
Okay, natawa na. Okay, sige, sabihin mo na.
We have.
May paano introduction of ano? Pagkain.
And then the spaghetti. And then
Dinagdagan. Kasama cake from Tita Leia, Binig.
happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Are you one? She is 45.
At 35. 35? That's it, guys.
Eat na.
Mamaya kuha tayo. Sige, go.
Okay, go grab it. Go ready that
Kapag may mga bata ka.
Ulit yung happy birthday mo. O, sige.
Happy birthday ulit. 1, 2, 3.
Kailan ang kapit?
Happy birthday. It's in the video.
Di ba tayo nakakulalante na nun? Hindi, alawat kintuta namin nga agargay. Kasi velvet. May velvet.
Ano lang ano niya?
Hindi, kapampuhay kaya ta. From the storage.
From the storage, the pillows.
The pillows of Auntie Mirna. Velvet kasi katong sila nakalam. Saba, hi guys!
Hi guys. Today I'm flicking Harold, which is so obvious, so I can easily turn off the light and talk about the world. And even that's a lot of things. And even hi guys. So today it's my tita birthday. My cousin and yeah.
Where are we going on your birthday?
Hey guys, it's me and Tita. I went house. Look at the past. Is this real?
Yeah, dun ano.
It's real?
Yeah, it's real.
I thought it was plastic.
No? Look at the other one, the succulent.
That one?
Here. See?
I know that's
Yeah, that's real. Mahulog ka. See,
Can I go now? With grandma. And then at 3 a.m.
Kasi nila pa man ayun. Kasi ka naman una. Takot ko mga kuya pa. Trip. Ako na yung problema. Tapos palaran, kung nalang bagay, hindi ko mandisip lang iparang.
That's for you. That's for you. That's for the kiss chat. Yeah, for the kiss chat. Okay, stop. Stop! Okay, get music on charger. And this one.
Tatama ano kayo?
Magugulas kayo, ha?
We're playing a game.
Wait, wala. Talo.
Okay, there's water here.
Nakatagay ka.
I don't know. Come on! Okay, water. Go there. Go there. Far.
Grabe, atak-tagay si Lord dito.
Ate ko, si Bayaw, ano na, 7 years na hindi na nakauwi na Pilipinas. Kami din ano na apat na taon na din hindi na kami na. Happy birthday!
I just say that.
Ay, nangat mamangan nila ba mga babangit na? At least, pinasampata kayo. Oh my God.
Okay, go.
So hi guys. So today it is my
Tita.
Tita Shell
Ano na?
yes, and she
Okay, open it. Wow!
This is a white t-shirt. Oh my goodness.
Wow, can I see?
Look at that.
Sabi.
For her.
It's, ano, dugalan siya yan.
Ano ka ano?
Hindi, ano na ba natin? 60.
Alam mo kasi ako 60 channel.
Bye!
I'll call you up. I'm gonna cut your finger if you do that one more.
Bye! Si Babay na.
Yati ko na yung aircon niya dun.
Bye, 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 bye.
Pag ano rin, pag ano, tapos yung kaibigan ko ba, tigapin ko na.
Basta nang kay Anton. It's either Scott yung mag-pick up niya or padiretso na din.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye!
Pavilion.
You got So this one is go to the picture.
Ayun, black. Let's rock all yung itim, oh. Itim tsaka white.
I don't have one for me. I just have donuts. Just kidding. Oh, come here.
Okay, go. Sit down.
My eye!
Oy, stop. Tata.
Ganda naman yung vlog.
Pakita niyo na yan. Pag-YouTube. Bye,
Bye, guys.
Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Sige na.
Our goal today is 100 likes.
Please,
I want to get 100 likes. 100 million views. How about not 100 million views? We only had 830. That's a lot. Thank you for 830 views. I appreciated it.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Ibabay na.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Let's rock na.
Oh my god! You got it in!
Sige, Seren. Bye.
Uy, pangit na yun.
Bye to the runner. Bye.
Ate na Shrek, Ate na Shrek. Bye.
Tito Leia.
Ate na Shrek, bye. Ate na Bye.
Bye. And when are you going home?
Yeah, she is.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys. My mom is turning the flashlight on me and it's so bright. Mom, stop putting it in my eyes. Hi guys.